In this video, we will create carousel effect animation in Canva. It will work like this. So how to do that? Let's see all the steps. So open a blank video page, click on elements, select few images like I am selecting few animal images. Add all these images to a single page. Reduce their size like this and put them in a line like one after the other. Place it like this so that all will be having same height like this. Now select these images and group them. Click on text, add a heading. Let's write heading for first picture like this. Now let's change its font and color to white. Click on effects. Select lift and increase its intensity. And let's place this text above the image. Now duplicate this text and change its text for the second image. And place it in the middle. Similarly, repeat this for all the images. Now when text is created for all the images, select these texts and group them. Now increase grouped images size. Similarly, text as well. Now click on elements. In the search box, search for circle hole. Click on graphics. Let's select this one. Increase its size so that it will be in the middle of the page like this. Click on layers, show layer, select this layer and place first image in the middle of this hole. Now select this text and place it just above this first image. You can adjust zoom size to make it with cleaner look. Now increase image size. To adjust text so that only one heading will appear, increase its size like this and place it above the picture like this. Change its color to white. Now select this text. Now click on position. Select this image layer and adjust it so that it will be placed in the middle. Now duplicate this page. Click on position. Select this picture layer. Now move the second picture within the circle like this. Similarly, move the text layer so that appropriate text for that picture will be placed just above that. Now duplicate this process for other pages as well. So repeat this process for rest of the images. Now click on page transition. Select match and move. Increase its duration and apply it for all pages. Now it's done. When you play, it will work like this. So carousel is created now. In this way, we can create carousel in Canva. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel so that you will get latest updates. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.